Let's have a look at the students' learning outcomes. After completing this unit, students will be able to use pre-reading strategies to predict a story by looking at pictures in the text. Interact with the text and use reading strategies while reading to locate factual information. Respond to the text post-reading to express likes or dislikes about the story. Locate texts or lessons by looking at titles and pictures. Demonstrate common conventions and dynamics of oral interactions in group to exchange some social courtesies. Recognize different categories of some naming words. For example, animals, fruits, vegetables, parts of body, objects. Recognize words ending with S and Z in the plural form of a word. Spell simple one or two syllable words. Recognize and use the words in and into. Write appropriate naming and action words to identify an action in a picture. Recognize words that begin or end with the same sound.